Fresh violence erupted in the border villages of Kamjong district in Manipur during the early hours of Thursday, triggering a panic among residents living along the India-Myanmar frontier. At least 3 Tangkhul Naga villages along the Indo-Myanmar border in Manipur's Kamjong district came under attack by suspected Kuki National Army Burma Kna-B militants. The attack occurred at the Choro, Namli and Wangli market at around 4 a.m. this morning, and several houses have also been torched. Local sources claim that heavily armed militants opened fire using automatic weapons before torching residential structures. The attackers were suspected to be cadres linked to the Kuki National Army Burma Kna-B along with Myanmar-based armed elements, though there has been no official confirmation regarding the identity of the assailants. Eyewitnesses from the affected areas said flames engulfed multiple houses, including homes belonging to Tangkhul families, forcing villagers to flee to safer locations amid fear and confusion. Thick smoke was reportedly seen rising from parts of Namli and nearby settlements shortly after the attack began. As of the filing of the report, no casualties have been officially confirmed, although the exact number of injured persons and the extent of property damaged remained unclear. The latest incidents come amid continuing tensions in the Kamjong-Ukhrul border belt, where sporadic armed confrontations and village attacks have been reported in recent months. On the other hand, the planned talks between Tangkhul and Kuki community, which was initiated by district administration at Kamjong District Mini Secretariat Hall today, has been postponed until further notice due to administrative reason.